We're going to be using inclined planes to see if when two balls are released at the same time, if they will reach the ground at the same time. So right now they're on wood ramps, and both are made out of steel, and they have the same angle. So everything is exactly the same. So we're going to see when I hit the play button if they will reach the bottom at the same time. All right, let's reset it. Let's watch it again. Let's see if they hit the ground at the same time. All right, it looks like they did hit the ground at the same time. Both times we did it. So let's see if we restart it and we change the material. We're going to change it to a rubber ball if we get the same results. So we're still seeing if the ball will hit the ground at the same time. All right, let's watch it again. So both times, again, the two balls hit the ground at the exact same time. So when everything is the same, the height is the same, the ramp is the same, the type of ball is the same, it is going to hit the ground at the same time. Why? Because they have the same exact acceleration, which is what Galileo said. Galileo said that all free-falling objects will have the same acceleration despite size, shape, anything like that. So free-falling objects will have the same acceleration. So when two balls are dropped at the same height or on the same incline, they should hit the ground at the exact same time.